Here is an even more extra long, super extended, ultra-detailed positive review paragraph for eu.jellycat.com, significantly longer than before, with a flowing, uninterrupted style. Ultra extra long positive review paragraph. Shopping on eu.jellycat.com is truly an enchanting and joy-filled experience that goes far beyond a typical online purchase. Because the moment you enter the site, you feel like you've stepped into a beautifully whimsical world where every plush character seems alive with its own story, charm, and personality. The website itself is incredibly inviting, with a soft, warm aesthetic that perfectly matches the comforting and heart-melting nature of Jellycat products, making browsing feel more like a relaxing escape than a shopping task. Each category opens up a treasure chest of adorable surprises, from their famously cuddly bashful bunnies to quirky little fruit characters, imaginative mythical creatures, irresistibly funny food plushies, and seasonal favorites that instantly spark joy. What makes eu.jellycat.com especially delightful is the level of detail in their product presentation. Every plush is shown through high-quality photos that highlight their lovable expressions and ultra-soft textures, and each description is written in a playful, thoughtful tone that captures exactly what makes the item special. You can easily spend hours just scrolling through the collection, discovering new characters you didn't even know existed, and feeling tempted by each one because they all have that signature Jellycat charm. The quality of the products themselves is truly exceptional. Every plush that arrives feels unbelievably soft, premium, and designed with gentle stitching and comforting textures that make them perfect for hugging, gifting, or simply displaying as a cheerful part of your home. The checkout process is wonderfully smooth and straightforward, with clear options, reliable payment methods, and reassuring confirmation steps that make you feel secure and cared for as a customer. Shipping is impressively fast for an international site, and the packaging is always neat, protective, and presented with care so your plush arrives in flawless condition, looking just as adorable as it did online. One of the biggest highlights is their customer service, which is consistently warm, friendly, and helpful. They respond promptly to questions, offer clear guidance, and genuinely make you feel appreciated. What truly makes eu.jellycat.com stand out is how every part of the experience radiates comfort, creativity, and happiness. Whether you're buying a plush for a child, surprising a loved one, collecting your favorite characters, or simply treating yourself to something soft and uplifting, each order feels like a small burst of joy delivered right to your doorstep. With its unbeatable quality, magical product range, and heartfelt service, eu.jellycat.com is a shopping destination that turns even a simple plush purchase into a warm, memorable, and emotionally refreshing experience that keeps you coming back again and again.